Good morning students, I am Ravinder Singh, your maths teacher, and you know very well exercise 15A of chapter number 15 properties of triangles are going on. So today we will discuss the rest questions of this exercise. So firstly see the question number 5, and question number 5 is one of the acute angles of a right triangle is 360. राइट ट्रायंगल का मीनिंग ये है कि जो आपके पास ट्रायंगल है उसमें से वन एंगल कितना है, राइट एंगल है. राइट मींस 90 डिग्री एंड अदर एक्यूट एंगल इज 36 डिग्री. देन फाइंड द अदर आपको क्या करना है, फाइंड करना है. ठीक है बेटा. सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल लेट ABC is a right triangle. ABC is a right triangle. ABC क्या है, एक राइट एंगल ट्रायंगल है. सो देन सपोज A is 90 डिग्री. वन एंगल कितना होगा, 90 डिग्री होगा. तो हमने क्या किया, हमने A को 90 डिग्री लिखा. ठीक है. अदर टू एंगल B and C. सो one is 36 डिग्री. दिस इज गिवन 36 डिग्री. देन फाइंड अदर मींस आपको C अननोन है, C आपको फाइंड करना है. C क्या करना है, फाइंड करना है. एंड यू नो वेरी वेल, वी नो दैट द sum of the angles of a triangle is 180 degree. The sum of the angles of a triangle is 180 degree. Means A plus B plus C equals to 180 degree. So you know very well A is 90 degree and B is 36 degree and plus C as it is equals to 180 degree. Clear beta? So 6 and 0 6, 9 and 3 just 12. So 126 plus angle C equals to 180 degree. Clear beta? 180 degree. Then C equals to 180 degree minus 126 degree. So value of C is minus करते हैं बेटा. 10 minus 6 just 4, 7 minus 2 just 5, 54 degree. So value of C is 54 degree. Hence the measure of angle C, equals to 54 degree, and this is the required answer. So this question beta, everyone clear? Now after this see the next question number 7. Now see the question number 7, and question number 7 is one of the angle of a triangle is 100 degree and the other two angles are equal. So find each of the equal angle. Find each of the equal angle. So first of all let ABC is a triangle. ABC is a triangle. आपके पास क्या है, ABC कोई भी एक ट्रायंगल है. One angle is 100 degree. So then suppose angle is 100 degree. Three angles में से one angle जो है वो कितना है, 100 degree. And other two equals का मीनिंग ये है, suppose आप ऐड करते हैं angle B and angle C equals, suppose ये क्या है, x degree है. Other two equals angle is x degree. So you know very well, we know that the sum of the angles of the triangle is 180 degree. So angle A plus angle B plus angle C equals to 180 degree. And you know very well A is 100, so 100 plus B is x, C is also x and equals to 180 degree. So 100 मूव करेंगे राइट साइड एंड 1 and 1 2x. So 2x equals to 180 degree minus 100 degree. So beta 2x equals to 80 degree means value of x equals to 80 divided by 2 and 2 4s are 8. 2 4s are 8. So value of x is 40. Value of x is 40. Hence the other two equal angles are 40 degree and 40 degree. Clear beta? Other two angles are 40 degree and 40 degree. So students, everyone clear this question? Now after this, see the next question. Question number 9. So students, see the question number 9. And question number 9 is, if one angle of a triangle is equal to the sum of the other two, so that the triangle is right angle. Triangle is right angle. So first of all, let ABC is a triangle. ABC is a triangle. ABC क्या है बेटा? Triangle. Triangle. Clear बेटा? Now given. Given क्या है आपको? कि if one angle of a triangle, इनमें से कोई भी एक एंगल ले लें A is equal to the sum of other two. Other two means B plus C. B plus C. This is equation 1. So that the triangle is right angle. Triangle is right angles. Means to proof करना है आपको कि ABC is a right angle. ये आपको बेटा प्रूफ करना, ओके? So proof in triangle ABC, angle A plus angle B plus angle C equals to 180 degree. 180 degree by angle sum property. By angle sum property. Clear beta? So you know very well from 1 से क्या है? B plus C equals to A. So A plus A equals to 180 degree. A plus A equals to 180 degree. 1A and 1A, 2A equals to 180 degree. So angle A equals to 180 degree divided by 2, and you know very well 2 9s are 18. So A is 90 degree. A is 90 degree. और बेटा हमें यही शो करना है, हमें ये दिखाना है कि ABC is a right angle. Means one angle कितना है? 90 degree. तो आप लिखेंगे बेटा hence the triangle ABC is right angle. So everyone clear beta? In this question everyone clear? Okay. So after this is the next question. Question number 11. So students, question number 11 is, what is the measure of each angle of an equilateral triangle? What is the measure of each angle of an equilateral triangle? Okay. So see the solution of question number 11. So you know very well, we know that all the angles of an equilateral triangle are equal. So let the measure of each angle of an equilateral So we know that all the angles of an equilateral triangle are equal. So let the measure of each angle of an equilateral triangle be x degree. So we know that the sum of the angles of a triangle is 180 degree. So you know very well, x plus x plus x, all three angles are equals to 180 degree. So 1, 2, 3. So 3x equals to 180 degree. So value of x equals to 180 upon 3 and 3 6 are 18. So x equals to 60. X equals to 60. Then hence the measure of each angle of an equilateral triangle is 60 degree. Means equilateral triangle में every angle कितना होता है 60 degree. Clear students? Everyone clear this question? Now after this see the next question number 13. So beta after this see the question number 13. And question number 13 is, can a triangle have, means एक triangle में हो सकते हैं, क्या हो सकता है, two right angles. First part is two right angles. क्या एक ट्रायंगल में टू राइट एंगल्स हो सकते हैं? कभी भी नहीं बेटा, बिकॉज़ 90 + 90 180. अगर टू एंगल्स का सम 180 हो जाएगा तो थर्ड एंगल होगा कि उसमें बीच ट्रायंगल फॉर्म नहीं होगा. सो दिस इज रॉन्ग, मींस नो. सेकंड, टू ऑब्ट्यूज एंगल्स. तो किसी ट्रायंगल में टू ऑब्ट्यूज एंगल्स हो सकते हैं? नो बेटा, दिस इज वेरी रॉन्ग. बिकॉज़ सपोज आप टू एंगल्स लेते हैं 91 + 91, सो ये 182 हो जाएगा. मींस थर्ड एंगल्स होगा ही नहीं, उसमें फॉर्म ही नहीं होगा. एज इट इज थर्ड पार्ट इज टू acute angles. acute angles हो सकते हैं? यस बेटा, दिस इज राइट. बिकॉज़ फर्स्ट 25 ले लें, देन 50 ले लें, तो 75 अदर 15 हो जाएगा. अदर एंगल ले सकते हैं 105 ले सकते हैं आप थर्ड एंगल. सो तीनों एंगल फॉर्म हो जाएंगे. मींस योर आंसर इज यस. एंड फोर्थ पार्ट इज all the angles more than 60 degree. all three angles 60 degree से greater हो सकते हैं? नो बेटा. फिफ्थ पार्ट, all angles less than 60. क्या सभी एंगल 60 से लेस देन हो सकते हैं बेटा? नो, बिकॉज़ अगर आपने 25 30 25 टेक कर लिए लेस देन 60 से, तो बेटा 25 50 एंड 30 जस्ट 80 डिग्री. बट थ्री एंगल्स का सम कितना होता है? 180 डिग्री. सो दिस इज रॉन्ग. नेक्स्ट पार्ट इज next part 6 is all angles equal to 60 degree. क्या तीनों एंगल्स इक्वल हो सकते हैं? मींस 60 डिग्री के हो सकते हैं? यस, बिकॉज़ इन ए इक्विलेटरल ट्रायंगल every angle is 60 degree. So your answer is yes. Now after this see the next question number 15, and question number 15 is the last question of this exercise. Fill in the blanks. So first part is a right triangle cannot have an obtuse angles. Clear beta? Now second, the acute angle of a right triangle are complementary. Third part is each acute angle of an isoscale right triangle measure 45 degree. Fourth part is each angle of an equilateral triangle measure 60 degree. fifth part is the side opposite the right angle of a right triangle is called hypotenuse, and last is the sum of the length of the side of a triangle is called its parameter. Clear students? All of you clear this exercise? Now today work is closed. Have a nice day beta. Thank you.